Let me tell you about 3 things to get out of your home for heart health. Number 1, get rid of toxic laundry products, laundry detergent, fabric softener, dryer sheets. Get those chemical products out of your home. Use natural things.
We're going to chuck that shit out this year and we're going to make our own, people. We're going to make our own laundry detergent. Here is some I made earlier. Now, as you can see, I have a lot, but what I'm going to do is top it up to show you guys what ingredients to use, and then if you want to make more, just double the ingredients, the amount of ingredients that I use in this, all right? Let's get into it. So to start with, you want some Epsom salts, okay? Did I know the size of Epsom salts that I was buying when I bought this? No, but this comes in very handy in my household, okay? Because I use it for my laundry and I use it for baths. So first of all, you're going to want to start with some Epsom salts. Epsom salts are going to work as a natural and highly effective fabric softener, okay? So that's why we're adding it. So I'm going to go in with half a cup of Epsom salts. Like I said, if you want to make this a bigger batch, then just double up half a cup of Epsom salts and just double up on what I'm using, all right? So use a cup. Next, we're going to use some bicarbonate of soda. We are adding this because it's going to make your whites and your colours brighter. It's also a deodorizer. Deodorizer, is that how you say it? And it is going to avoid the accumulation of lime scale, so it's good if you live in hard water areas. For this, I'm adding in 1.5 cups. Obviously, I'm using half a cup here, so 1.5 cups, people, okay? 1.5 cups. These are just good ingredients to have in your house, full stop, for lots of other stuff as well, okay? And you need to make sure that when you're buying bicarbonate of soda, it is aluminium free, all right? Because if you're not getting aluminium free, then there's no point in buying it at all, all right? Because you don't want that stuff. Next, we're going to add in some sodium carbonate. This is more for people with hard water area because it softens the water, which helps the other ingredients lift the soil from your fabrics. Right, with this stuff, you want to put 1.5 cups in. I did just pour 1.5 cups in, but then I completely forgot what I was saying, so I've just had to delete that bit of the video, so I'm not going to pour another 1.5 cups in, okay? But I have put 1.5 cups in of this sodium carbonate, all right? Next, we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of sea salt. So the sea salt is going to stop your darks from bleeding into other colours, and it's also a really good stain remover. Now this you don't need to add in, but I'm going to. It's a borax substitute. I'm going to use 1/2 cup. This is also good for hard water areas because it softens the water, and it's also very good for stain removal as well. So you don't need to add this in, but I do, all right? Whack the lid on, give it a good shake. Get it all mixed up. When you do a laundry load, put 3 teaspoons of this into your detergent drawer. Then to make it smell nice, you want to add your favourite essential oils. I love using citrus when it comes to my laundry, so I use orange, I use grapefruit, I've got yin yang, and I've got tangerine. You add, depending on how many you're mixing together, add between 5 to 7 drops of each, and your washing will smell and just be delicious. Your laundry's going to smell delicious, you're not using any toxic chemicals, it's kind on your clothes, and they're going to be clean and fresh. Simple, bosh.